Hey, what's up? Hope you're good. All right, so I want to do a new series called PT Myths. So these are popular beliefs which I think are absolutely outrageous and are wrong, and I want to dispel those myths. And it's going to be a bit contrarian, so I'm going to go a little bit against the grain, but I think this is important. So the first myth is that as a PT, you need to be on social media. Like, I hate social media. Obviously, I'm using social media now to speak to you, but it's just a different business. For PTing in a pure gym or the gym group, I say F social media. Forget social media. F for forget. I'm trying to not swear in my videos, just in case, because I know my mum watches them. But yeah. Social media I think is garbage. I hate it so much, especially when it comes to fitness. Obviously fitness is huge on social media. You know, you go on there, it won't take you long before you see six packs and mad booties and glutes and leggings and big chests and big arms and all kinds of, you know, it's too much. And especially if you're in the fitness industry, it can make you feel quite insecure, you know, especially, you know, you've got people getting like 10,000 likes, 20,000 likes, 1 million likes per post, and there's you struggling to get 20, you know what I'm saying? Getting 50 is like a big thing, it's a spike, you know, it's crazy, like, and it's just like, you know, you feel like you're just competing with everybody. And, you know, essentially, if you're working in a pure gym, the gym group, or gym box or wherever, where you got a big membership, just stay in the gym. Like, why are you trying to attract the same people where they're literally standing across from you? You know what I'm saying? You can walk to them and speak to them. That's going to be way more powerful than putting on a post and hope they like it and see it. Like, I mean, obviously, you know, you can get clients from it, don't get me wrong, but you're more likely to get more clients from literally just going up to people, like literally, like nothing long, just go up to them, speak to them. Like, I hate like social media as a PT. I wish, like, because I joined the course Fully Booked Formula, I'm going to do an expose on that because that was an absolute waste of money. They were trying to charge me £400 a month for their marketing services, and obviously I knew this was, you know, the only good thing about it was I was meeting members who showed me what's possible. So I met a guy who was making 6,000 a month. I was like, wow, I can't believe it. Showed me a couple that taught me about, you know, how to, you know, put people through direct debits and stuff like that, which I got from other trainers as well online. But, you know, people actually implemented it, so I thought that was pretty cool. But yeah, they were telling me £400 a month, or £480 a month even, £500 to post a video every day on Facebook. Like, and then when I cancelled, they were calling me every day for about a year, actually, or about 8 months, 10 months, about, God, they're gonna get a debt collector to my house and credit references and agencies. I even had other people on the course like proper sweating, like, oh, they're gonna give me what's it called, a JSA, CCJ, you know, I want to get a mortgage, this and that, stressing people out. Fully Booked Formula. I don't ever get more clients. Business School, Lucy Johnson, Mark Vernum, stay away from them. I beg you, please don't make the same mistakes I did. Anyway, I'm gonna do a full expose about that garbage course. But they were like, oh yeah, just do a video every day, put on Facebook, messaging groups, this and that, do a video about, oh my goodness. Oh, and you know what? I knew it was garbage when I came across someone working at Pure Gym who went from paying £1,000 a month to now going back to doing hours. I was like, what? How are you paying £480 a month and you'll turn up to all these seminars and these people are gassing you up and you can't even pay your rent anymore? Like, I was gobsmacked. And the thing is, you go there and it's mad wizardry. Like, I'm like selling from the stage. These guys know some mad techniques about manipulation and how to sell you. They gas you up on the dreams, you know, your dreams and aspirations, if you can do it through them. And man, it was not a lie. I mean, it might work if you own your own gym, but as a pure gym, just flipping go up and speak to people, do classes, do inductions. Like, I'm telling you, the stuff for free is the stuff that works. And I'm telling you this for free. I'm saving you the pain of having to pay. I mean, I must have paid these guys. I mean, I paid £1,000 for a 3-day seminar. Then I was paying that £480 for about 4 months. So what's that, like about 3-4 grand? Absolutely ridiculous. And even when I was there, I was even tempted to upgrade to the platinum package, which would have been 700. That's how powerful these people are, because they've oh my goodness. Anyway, so social media is a myth. Don't do it. leave it alone. It's not important. I mean, if you've got aspirations of being an influencer or you want to be like the next Joe Wicks, then go for it. But if you also want to make a great living in pure gym and make a killing, then forget it. Just grind in the gym, build a reputation in the gym. I mean, that's my advice anyway. That's my advice. I mean, it's not essential. It's a distraction. There's more negatives than positives when you're dealing with likes and all of this and that. It's very crowded, and you have to put money behind it as well. And if you're a new PT, we're thinking about paying rent, you're probably not going to have the investment to put money towards getting the reach you want. But you might love doing videos. Don't get me wrong. You might love doing videos. You might have a really good take on it. You might be really entertaining, and you might have you might just have different aims. Like you might want to be a bodybuilder or fitness influencer and stuff. So don't get me wrong. I'm just talking about purely picking up clients in the gym. If you just need 30 clients in the gym, then it's a lot easier to just stay in the gym, spend the time in the gym, than going off doing videos, editing videos, spending hours doing that. I've been there, trust me. I've done tons of videos and waste of time, I'm telling you. But yeah, that's my 2 cents. So yeah, PT Myth, you do not, I'm telling you, you do not need to be on social media. Delete your Instagram, delete it all. Just stay in the gym. That's it. Easy.